First, create your account on Cofinex by completing a simple sign-up process. Next, complete your KYC verification to unlock all features including referrals and rewards. Once your account is ready, head to the homepage. Now tap on the referral icon to open your referral dashboard. Click on Invite a friend to start sharing your referral details. You can copy your unique referral code and send it directly to your friends. Or simply copy your referral link and share it across WhatsApp, Telegram, or any platform. You can also save your QR code and share it. Your friends can scan it to sign up instantly. Use the share option to instantly invite your friends through different apps.
Important notes. Always verify the selected network before making a transfer. Sending funds to an incorrect network may result in permanent loss. Deposits require blockchain confirmations before reflecting in your account. Security reminder. Cofinex will never ask for your password, OTP, or private keys. Always use official Cofinex platforms only. Need assistance? If you face any issues, please contact Cofinex customer support or visit the Help Center for more tutorials.